equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. You'll also need a clean workspace to keep your components organized. Start by unplugging your Dyson SV12 from the power source. Safety first. Next, remove the dust canister by pressing the release button and pulling it away from the main body. This will give you better access to the motor compartment. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the base of the vacuum. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off the motor compartment. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. Be careful not to damage any clips or connectors. Now, you should see the motor. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the compartment. A clean workspace is essential for a successful repair. Next, disconnect the motor wires. Take note of where each wire connects, as you'll need to reconnect them later. If you're unsure, consider taking a photo for reference. Once the wires are disconnected, use your pliers to remove the motor from its housing. There may be additional screws holding the motor in place, so ensure you check for those. With the old motor removed, it's time to install the new one. Place the new motor into the housing, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the motor wires according to your earlier notes or photo. After the motor is securely in place, replace the cover of the motor compartment. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, tightening them firmly but not overly so, to avoid stripping the screws. Now, reattach the dust canister by aligning it with the main body and pressing it back into place. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. Finally, plug your Dyson SV12 back in and turn it on to test the new motor. Listen for any unusual sounds and ensure it's functioning correctly. If everything sounds good, you've successfully replaced the motor. If you encounter any issues or prefer not to handle repairs yourself, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. No calls, no travel, just a simple, hassle-free service. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.